Hello, good morning. Today is Saturday, 22 June. So that is the beautiful beach of Courtney Beach is going next to the Campbell River. That is also, there are a lot of, beautiful places and uncountable area that if you want to see it take almost 6 months to 1 year only if you want to see Victoria, but I will try to see wherever I go, and if I reach the each targeted area where I go, I will try to share with you. So really amazing and beautiful coastal line highway. It's coast to coast. There are few area might have the houses, but normally it is coastal highway going to Port Hardy. There is Tofino, Hooklet. So there are a lot of beautiful places